Hi, everybody! You know who it is. Stinky Pete, subbing in for the idiot. He got some water damage, so he got some work to do upstairs. So I decided to come down here and do some paid dirt. That's his for you. Haha. Here we go. Do that thing he does, and then we'll get into it. All right, here we go. Yes, sir, boy, I will tell you what, we are gonna do a pay dirt review, and I don't know what it is. Oh, Lord, what I do with it? Oh, there it is. Here it is, right here. Oh, who is this? Oh, this is Bill's Trash and Treasure, or Bill's Dirt, Coos Canyon Gold Pay Dirt 1 gram guaranteed. And we're going to do this tonight. Not a whole lot of pay dirt, so this should be a pretty quick pay dirt review, I guess. I don't know. I haven't done this in a while, folks. I'm used to being out there doing it in the river, not in a garage like some people do. All right. What are we doing? I don't know how this works. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. He does this crap all the time. I'm just going to rip it open and pan it. Oh, yeah, he wants me to weigh it. He wants me to read descriptions and all that crap. Let's do this, all right? We're going to do it the Stinky Pete way. Here we go. Here is the pay dirt. He's already got the scale here, so let's just weigh it. Ooh, it weighs nothing. How in the hell does it weigh nothing? Try that again. There it is, 1.2, 1 pound, 2 ounces, 1 pound bag. Lord, that's going to be super quick. It is Bill's Dirt. Like I said, Coos Canyon Gold Pay Dirt, 1 gram guaranteed. Says Bill's Dirt on the front and Bill's Trash and Treasures on the back. So am I getting dirt or am I getting trash? I don't understand. But we're going to pan it anyway. As long as there's a gram of gold, he can call it Bill's toilet paper. I don't care. I want gold, baby. Let's open it up and see what's in there. Can't wait. It's been a while since I've done a pay dirt review. I don't really like doing them. Okay, what is it exactly you want me to do?
Man, just read the description, tell them how much I paid for it, and then just do the pay dirt. I don't care how you do it, but I want them to know how much I paid for it. I want them to get the description of the pay dirt.
Just give me the gold when you're done. That's all I care about. Okay.
I gotta go back upstairs. All right.
Whatever. He don't know how to do nothing. Let me tell you something. All right. Oh, there you are. All right. I got to read something to you. So, the Coos Canyon Concentrate 1 gram pay dirt. Here's the description. I got to remember how to read. It's been a while. This pay dirt was prospected by me. It wasn't prospected by me. It's prospected. Oh, this is what they're saying. This pay dirt was prospected by me out of the Swift River in Byron, Maine. Ooh, these are unsearched concentrates from my King A52 sluice. Ooh, fancy. And the material is loaded with garnet sands and mica. Because this was ran through my sluice in the fast-moving fresh waters, the material will be fairly clean. This is a beginner's bag, which contains approximately 8 ounces of material, and the gold will be easier to recover. This is 100% unsearched, and the possibility of ultrafine, naturally occurring gold is likely. There will be 1 gram of gold added as well. If you do not recover at least 1 gram of gold, keep panning. Whether or not you recover all the gold is based on your panning ability. Thanks, and as always, happy panning. I don't like reading. So that's the description. It weighs a pound. Oh, by the way, this is ridiculous. He's making me wear this. Look at this. Do you see that? You talk about somebody that's got an ego problem. Ridiculous. Never in my life have I ever seen somebody that egotistical. He's got issues. All right, we're going to open this up. Yeah, this looks pretty easy to do. I don't think this is going to take me too much time at all. Now, that is clean. Very clean. There it is. Let's classify it. Boy, let me tell you something. All these little things right here that he has to pan dirt, I've never in my life. He wants me to sit here with whatever this is, put these classifiers in there, and classify it each damn. Why don't he just stick it in a damn pan and just pan the whole thing? Well, we'll do it his way. That's actually pretty cool. So this is the 4 mesh. There's all the rocks and whatever. There ain't gonna be no gold in that. I can tell you that right now. Let's do 10 mesh. We're just gonna keep doing this till we run out of dirt. Shake it, shake it, shake it. There's the 10 mesh. You know what? I'm gonna keep doing this. When I'm done, we'll just skip to that part because this is boring me. we're done with the classifying. Let's get it on. All right, let's see what I did here. There it is. And by the way, I don't do this. This is his thing. I don't see the point in breaking all this stuff down. Whatever. This is what he wanted me to do. Here it is. I've got 5 classifications. And we're going to start with 4 mesh. Then you got 10 mesh, 20 mesh, 40 mesh. Everything under 40. We're going to start with that one first. You know why? Because there ain't no gold in that. There's never gold in the big stuff, especially with just 1 gram guarantee. Get that one out of the way. Then we're going to start here. Let's go to overhead. It's that way. Okay, here we go. All right, this is everything plus 4 mesh. There it all goes. Ooh, quartz. I know he saves his quartz because he likes to crush it. That's actually a good idea because there could be some gold in there. Oh, there's all kinds of quartz in here. Look at that. There's a piece. There's a piece. There's a piece. Good Lord. All right, here we go. No gold, just like I told you. We're going to start with the minus 60, or actually it's the minus 40, and then we're just going to work our way up like I said a minute ago. I'll just go ahead and pour it in, I'll stratify it, and then I'll pan it when I'm done stratifying. Be right back. And I'm done stratifying. That is it. Here we go. Let's pan. Tippity tap tap it back. Oh, look at there. I see the gold. Look at all that gold. That's pretty. All right, let me see if I can figure out how to work this camera thing. Let's see. There's the gold. I can zoom in. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that's not bad at all. I kind of like this. I can see the gold. All right, suck it up. Let's move on. All right, here it is. 40 mesh. I don't even really need stratified. There ain't nothing in there. It's not dirty. He wasn't kidding when he said this stuff was clean. This stuff is really, really clean. All right, let's pan it. We're gonna pan it back. Tippity tip tap tap, and oh yeah, look at that go. Ooh, doggy. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, don't you go nowhere. Nah. What do we got? 10 pieces. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? Ooh, gotta love that go. All right, let's take a picture of it. Here we go. Well, I did this a minute ago. Oh, wait. My thumb's in. Wait. Oh, that's me. Hold on. There it is. Zoom on in. Look at that. 5, 10 pieces. I was right. 10 pieces. Let's do it again. Look what I brought out. It's my pan. Man, let's just do that much. Ain't got no time. Ain't got no thrill. I ain't got no time or thrill to fool. I don't know what I'm singing. All right, here we go. All right, look at there. Bet he couldn't do that. I pound just about every bit of that stuff out. Roly-poly gold, oh Lord. This is the 20 mesh, and that is 12 pieces of gold. Love that yellow candy. All right, let's take a look at it. Look at that gold. 1 little, 2 little, 3 pieces of gold. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little pieces of gold. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little pieces of gold. I lost count. Folks, I got to go. I have got to get out of here. I got somebody on my claim. I got a claim jumper. I got to fly to California, and I got to go find that sumbitch, and I got to go get him because he's taking my gold. So whenever he can get his little butt down here and finish this, he can, but I got to go. So I'll see you when I see you. Peace. Bye. Take this stuff over. I got to go. You mail me my gold.
Okay, he left. And he left a mess. Did he even leave my gold? Okay, there it is. All right, he didn't even finish it, did he? Dude, he can never finish a damn anything. And he left the camera on. Holy crap. All right, so as usual, he leaves abruptly and leaves a mess and leaves me with whatever he's done. I told him all I wanted him to do was do a quick pay dirt review for me. I have all this crap at the house that I have to deal with, all of the water damage and all of that stuff, and just asked him if he would do a pay dirt review for me. You can keep the gold. I made it very simple. And he's like, sure, I'll come, I'll do it, no big deal, I'm in town anyway. And then he comes in, half-asses it, takes off. I'll finish it. Looks like 20 mesh. Is that quarter inch? No. Is that? All right, so that's got to be 10. So I guess we got 20 mesh and 10 mesh. Let's continue this. This is the 20 mesh. I'm guessing it's the rest. Wow, this stuff is really clean. All right, let's pan it. Good Lord, look at all of the gold in that 20 mesh. We're going to pan this back and reveal it because there is a lot of gold in here. All kinds of gold right there. Let's look at it with the phone. Nice chunky gold. A lot of it too. Nice. All we have left is this 10 mesh. So I don't know what he told you, but this is Bill's Dirt or Bill's Trash and Treasures. I have not done this in a long time. Been over a year, and I've only done it one time. And I know the last time I did this pay dirt, it was a guaranteed 1 gram bag. Just never bought it again. Nothing against it. I just don't want to say I forgot about it, but the only reason why I thought of it is because he was selling it on eBay. When I was looking on eBay for pay dirts and stuff, I just happened to come across it. I didn't win the auction, so I just went to his website, saw it on there, and I thought, well, let's just go ahead and buy it. So that's what I did. Okie dokie, got all the quartz out, now let's pan it. I did not see any gold when I was pulling quartz out. Let's hope that I just missed it. And I did not. No gold. All right, we got one more. Dump it. I'm going to go ahead and pull all the quartz, stratify it, and then we'll pan it. Oh, we got a piece of gold in there. Let's get these last bit of rocks out. That's good enough. Let's shake that back real fast, and there it is. Look at there. That's a picker. Nice little piece of gold right there. And just like that, we're done. Alright, so I guess first things first, I apologize for not doing this complete pay dirt review. After everything that's happened with the house and stuff, I tried to get him to do it for me. He loves doing this stuff, but apparently he doesn't like the way I do it. So anyway, it's in this little tub here. I'm going to let it dry out. We'll take it upstairs. We'll get a value. I'm going to have to go back through the footage and see what he forgot to tell you guys about this pay dirt. I will see you up there. You know, you try to give somebody a gift and they take it off and throw it on the ground. So I'm wearing it. This is not something I'm selling because I don't have anything to sell. But I have been testing t-shirts and stuff, testing the fabric, that kind of thing. And of course I put my big ugly mug on there. That's why I got my microphone right there, my forehead, so you don't have to see it. But just thought I'm going to try some t-shirts and see how they come out. Did a tie-dyed. It's loud. I'm fluorescent. Actually, watch this. I'm going to turn the lights out. Let you see this. Look at me. I'm freaking glowing in the dark. All right. Anyway, let's look at the gold. Yeah, that bag was just super easy to pan. Right around a pound of material. So I will do a phone shot of it real quick and then we'll weigh it. All right, so I am on grams. I'm going to zero that out. Here is the gold. Let's dump it in real quick. Boom. 1.110 grams of gold. So you know what is next. Let's get over here on the computer. Let's get a value. Let's get an ROI. Let's get all that good stuff. I forgot what we had. Oh yeah, it's pretty easy to remember. 1.111111. 1.110 is what we had. We will call it 24 karat natural plaster gold. Gold prices $3,289.33. Gold prices got up to $3,500 an ounce this week. Right now, almost $3,300. It's insane. 117.39 is what we got out of that. We'll go to the percentage calculator. Let me go ahead and put that in. 117.39. I paid. There it is right there. The Coos Canyon concentrate, 1 gram, 127.50 for the bag, $5 for shipping, grand total $132.50, and it's still at that price, 88.5%. That's a good return. Good return, no complaints about that. Getting over 80%, you can never complain about that. Couple things. I forgot to show you guys this when I was downstairs, and I'm going to show you right now. So along with the pay dirt, he sends, you know how a lot of pay dirt companies send stickers and stuff like that. Every now and then you'll get a company that will send you really cool items. One company sends you like a little shovel. I know that what's her name, Emily Rydell, she does pay dirts as well, and she was on that Bering Sea Gold Discovery Channel show, and she sends these little aluminum cards that has like this little saying on it, which I thought was cool. This is what he sent me. This all came in a little plastic cover thing. That's just a QR code. If you want to scan that right now, go ahead. But yeah, it's a QR code to his website. And then there's a sticker. This is the cool thing. That is a $100 bill. Obviously, it's not real. It's gold. That is a gold $100 bill. Flip it around. That's cool. I like that. I am going to put that somewhere where when I do my videos you can see it, even though I never point the direction where all my stuff is, which is what I should do, but I don't do that. I want you to see what's in my closet every time I close out a video, because I think that's more important. Yeah, that's probably one of the coolest little extra things that I've gotten from a pay dirt company that wasn't gold coins, that kind of thing. But anyway, as far as the pay dirt, easy to pan. Oh my God, super easy to pan. Stinky Pete said it was too easy to pan. I think that's why he didn't want to deal with it anymore, but I don't care. It had a gram of gold. That's what's the most important thing. Not a lot of pay dirt. Always complaints when you get pay dirt that's real small. You wish they had more pay dirt so it'd take you more time to pan it. And as far as the difficulty, it was like a 1 out of 10. I think that's all there is to say about it. I want to thank Stinky Pete for coming in and half-ass doing his job. He should have done the whole pay dirt review, but whatever. He's just weird, and he's always after my gold. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, share button, notification bell. Those 4 magical buttons I always ask you guys to hit. It costs you... No, it doesn't cost anything. It costs you $0. Just a little pressure. And I appreciate all of you guys who have subscribed. Questions, comments, leave them below. I appreciate you guys who leave me comments, kind comments. Until my next review, you know what I'm going to say. This is Heat, saying peace and love. And I will see you next time. Bye.